Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Baser Amer, and winning head coach Jong Chico. Coach, ended a 4-game losing streak. What went right for NLEX today, and your assessment sa inyong bagong import so far?
Okay naman si DJ. You know, he gives us what we need. I think no, medyo wala pa siya sa game shape talaga, but you know, he did what he had to do in today's game. Alam naman nila na gaano ka-importante yung laro ngayon para sa amin, pero hindi pa naman kami automatic na papasok. Siyempre, depende rin sa Blackwater, pero you know, they realize the importance of this game.
Let's talk about your next and last game in the elimination, that is against Ginebra on Sunday. What are your preparations and adjustments in facing them once again?
Well, I don't think we have much adjustments to do for one-day preparation. I think we'll just carry over what we did today, and hopefully that, you know, we come out with a win again on Sunday.
Thank you, Coach. Baser, ano pakiramdam in leading your team today, especially after ending that 4-game losing streak, and eto, nakuha mo yung best player of the game?
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach is kailangan lang may ibang player na mag-step up aside from Bolik and yung import namin. So, yun yung mindset namin ng mga off the bench. Tapos, 4 streak talo kami. So, ito yung chance namin na kailangan namin makuha itong panalo na to. So, yun nga, yung pride and yung character namin lumabas kanina.
Baser, you really made your presence known, lalo na sa first 3 quarters nung game. Gaano kalaki yung responsibility na napunta sa'yo in assisting your team and leading your team, lalo na meron kayong high-scoring players such as Bolik at yung import ninyo?
Siguro yung mindset ko lang kanina is mag-guide yung teammates ko, tapos naging aggressive lang ako. Yun lang po.
The game highlights